Kajing duna jo ki khynnah puli menta hak ne ka jo ka ba menta ban shim ya ka subject math but science kalalong ke ke ba kino hikai kila pensko bakalon kajing ma kalian ka puli ka puthi but ya kani kat kum kajing ekran kino hikai ba principal kino penyat school kila la ban sungu thu ba ki khynnah puli menta ki ba Sengutana cisai kamat buat sains keladuna dah kumbak life persen lah handrupau. Bat ya kani gila ban pentikenaru bat baladep ban kuburu dau director jong Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute u Ram Kumar hakaba ulo ong bah kini kisnam balalet kajingdon jong ki khynnah basim sains kalahir saba palan ban sungtu khambha ban sungtu benya ya ka jengmut jong ki khynnah puli ya kani ka juk ka bamenta kisung kumno ya ka maths kisung kumno ya ka science bat ke ek stream ka ba kin jet hadin jong ka matriculation ini akran bagi khynnah puli katu kan ngut kisung kumno ya ka subject maths kisung kumno ya ka subject science bat ka stream you kin jet hadin jong ka matrik Ibaratnya subjek saya smart.
Dah tip answer the best sih.
Saya
hanga ada ngaka maths ka science ngam the best mah nomor ba ta mau ngimbam kuat ada ben shim art shim art sana orang shim science
boleh timbas ya kemat saya.
Ngomong mengambes mah tolong ba. Henry dah alat kelas 10 ngam shim re gitu.
Shim you.
Shim art.
Kok long you saya shim.
Tang perkat kita.
Kamu kamu kenal you kan minta banle.
Banle ta football hi tang ba ka height deh.
Hakaat di kuat ban shim nomor banle you ban yo kam you di kuat lah kat kita.
Tu ki kam sarkari untuk
Kita ada favorite subject you.
favorite juga di sosial.
Yang jadi favorite subject you.
udah jangan tiga gizem mah Cái gizem kasih kot niam dah kot niam
Okay.
em long like quy subject ta đang nó là English
Hanga jiso jonga te kabiang hi.
Biang. Kemat.
Kabiang.
Biang.
Kabiang.
Tidak lagi student yang boring lambat boring
Dei kasayan se dei na gino hikai wi ladayo gino hikai ba biang te kabiang ladayo gino hikai ba biang de kabiang de.
Kemat.
Kamat se kabiang ha.
Kemat
Ladayo no hikai ba sutu te kabiang ma ladam yo pat ba sutu te ani ka e ba.
tapi mentah ke enak
Ya hanga te ngam nang ong ra ka e ne ka jam ru ta ba ka subiang.
ya. Kalau pas kemat.
Hoi.
Pas baru terakhir pas. Mentah nyamru.
Hoi.
Metrik pa yo letar em.
Ya nga kata dam nang batai re. Kwa ai serai.
Favorite subject mentah dik eh.
Ha?
Favorite subject mentah dik eh.
Anim dan favorite subject ra kasih kan.
Bebasnya math science.
Best maths
Math, bas. Boleh bas.
ba kesuk hangat kesuk maths science tang bio ngam suk ra bio
Amat bebas kai.
algebra
Tidak perkat in the future kalau you.
wa nganlong engineer
Ya. Nomor sekolah saya kemana? Kalau ada matrik sim saya.
yang sim science
Hah?
science
Kalau begini. Ya.
kat bio kat balai
Kan bayar.
Hakas it.
Pasti.
Ha?
Basnya kemana saya?
Ka biang
Sungguhnya.
ka biang ka teaching sa ibero. Em. Ka maths.
Nah, kalau ada matrik kuah sim screening.
Diyo science.
Kalau you tak.
Ano Ginohikai.
Good luck, ma.
Thank you.
The only thing that come between dreams is fear. So either be fearless or be dreamless.
What do you think about math? Do you like math? Do you like science?
It's fine if you study. It's easy, but if you don't study, it's hard.
What about you? I mean,
It's fine.
just fine.
It's fine. Yeah.
Just fine.
I mean, if we study, nothing is hard. So
In your class, among all the subjects, which one is your favorite?
science.
Right. What do you want to do with science?
Probably gonna become a doctor after. Yes. Yes.
Science stream.
Yes.
What do you want to go study?
Probably in AIMS or Shadow University. Probably in AIMS or Shadow University.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm Rex.
Huh?
Rex.
Rex.
Rex Raisin Rani.
Good luck, ma.
Right now, my favorite subject is mathematics.
Mathematics. What about you?
Everything is my favorite subject.
Even this guy.
I love everything.
What about math?
Oh, I love maths.
Really?
Yes, I
What
do.
do you like most about math?
Oh, I like trigonometry.
Trigonometry. What about the rest?
Huh?
What about the rest?
Oh, the rest is different from me. But trigonometry, it feels different for me. I love it.
What about science?
Science, yes, I do love physics, but chemistry, I do not like that much.
What do you want to do with math and science later in the future?
Oh, in the future, I'm thinking of taking science stream, but I don't know. The marks will carry.
What about you?
Like this, I haven't decided what to do in the future, but we'll see after 10. I think I'm gonna go for arts, I guess. Yes.
Why art? What do you want to be?
Like it will be kind of easy. It will be kind of easy for me because I'm not interested in commerce and mathematics anymore. Just arts. So,
What do you like math?
yeah, just the easy stuff.
Well, math has been one of my favorite subjects along with science when I was a kid, but now it's mid. I like it and I also don't like it. Oh, because I'm also into sports, music and other extracurricular activities, so I would skip classes, so I would never get the explanation. So that is how my concept is not that clear, so I would not understand what's going on in the class. So
that is one of the main.
yeah, that is one of the main reasons. Algebra, geometry is a little hard for me.
What about science?
Science, I love science. Yeah. Science, in our school here, till class 8, it was one subject, but now they've divided it into biology, chemistry, and physics. And I think I like most biology. I feel like it's the best subtopics out of all. I feel it depends. It depends on the teacher and the students as well. If they're interested, even if the explanation is boring, they'll just listen and they'll try to take some, important and good points. But if the student himself or herself is not interested, then no matter how good the explanation is, they will still not listen. You see? Yeah, but teaching, but the way of teaching is really important because once it's interesting, it catches the attention of the other students and, they eventually listens and, they get to learn more and more.
Do you like math or not? Yes or no?
No, I do not like maths. No. But I'm trying to love maths because it's an important subject. I'm practicing maths every day now, so I'm trying to love maths. Yeah. No, it's not like that. But I don't know. I'll just try my best, and then I'll try to get letters in both the subjects if possible because I want to pursue medical now. I want to give NEETs after 12 too, so that's why I'm trying to love maths because maths includes science. I mean, without math, science is nothing, right? So that's why.
Nga mo siya nga sabi sa maths. Benta pa pala po kung class 6 balawan ko algebra dan ABCD, ani klumark siya ka maths. But nga siya kung the film na the fikili na pala kay filayo ha kung good education mo na good guidance kala kambiang ka maths siya nga. Ka science te musha karibe with science boards pa kumta. Benta pa kalawan kung bio, chemistry, physics. Sometimes it's easy. I guess it's easier now. It actually depends. Don't ki best kung for example geometry. The best geometry the suto kisa lab ha. But kung the best kasa long boring and then they won't understand mostly.
Do you like math? If it's a yes or no?
Probably no.
No.
Yeah.
What is your favorite subject?
Literature, English.
Literature.
I actually want to take arts, but mostly focusing on civics. That's right. Probably a lawyer. I think so. I don't really know, business or lawyer. But then business or option commerce, so probably lawyer. I mean, like basic maths is always needed in life. But like if you go on a future, for example, commerce. If you like commerce and if you don't come from maths, then I feel like over there you'll get more education in maths, and then it'll be more needed in your whole career. But it depends on the career of the person.
I would say that maths is a very interesting subject. Like when we understand the concept, it's like very fun, and we don't even realize the time that passes by. When we focus, we just practice on, and we don't realize the time that goes by. And yes, at times it does get hectic when we don't understand, and it gets frustrating. But I would say that maths is a very fun subject because we get to learn new things and we get to use our logic as well. I would prefer algebra. Me individually, I find trigonometry and geometry harder than algebra, and I love the variables that are there. I love solving algebra the most. I am not sure about the jobs related. Yes, because for now I'm planning to go in for medical.
Maths, previously I wasn't a mathematician type of a girl. I always hated maths in my lower classes, but since now I'm understanding the concepts, and maths is a logical subject. And we have to, if we get the basics of maths, we can easily solve equations and all. So yeah, it's easy. Yes, I love maths. My favorite subject would be science. Every time. Yes, maths and science.
So what is your plan for the future?
For future, I really want to pursue medical.